Billahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum everybody. So today we are going to start about future tense. Future tense means the time which will come in future. It is to talk about the future. We use will as a helping verb, and future with will, like examples are in front of you. Mr. Matt will go to Canada. Mr. Matt will give you homework. Our main verb is always unchanged, like it will remain same. That is first form of verb. You can see go or give. And difference below between the present and future, like present tense is he plays baseball on Fridays. Plays is first form of verb used for he, and it is showing that it is present tense. And if we talk about future, then we will replace we will add will with he will play baseball on Saturday instead. So it is like we have added will and play, only first form of verb is used. Then there is more about, like future indefinite tense is used to express an action that has not taken place yet and will take place in the future. For example, Billy will play soccer after 1 hour. There is no planning or intention in the future sentences used in the future indefinite tense. Like that is, it will be done, we will do that. Sarah will be a mother. Winter will come again. Will Jessica see that woman in your school? We will live in the different city. Will they learn English next month? Will we come to see us in winter? And will he make a cake on Monday? That is, like these are some of the examples you can see. Next is, there is a difference between will and going to. Fine. So will shows future and going to also shows about future time. But difference is that will expresses a sudden decision, or it expresses a desire to do or agreement to do something. That is example, I will have fish instead of chicken. I will keep my promise. Like this is the desire or agreement, we will do that. Going to means it expresses plan for the future. I'm going to visit my grandpa tomorrow. That is plan which is pre-planned and it will be done. Both can be used to make future predictions. She will be famous someday. She is going to be famous someday. Like they both can be used for predictions if we are talking about some upcoming time. But still there are some differences. You can see in this slide, that is will is used to make prediction. There is no evidence. Like evidence is important. See the example, perhaps it will rain. It is just prediction. Maybe it will rain or not. Will is used for unplanned actions in future. I will fly to England. I don't have a flight of a ticket. I will not. Fine. But going to, that is, it is making prediction and it will it is a planned action. You can say that. See the examples, like if we talk about some predictions or planned actions, examples are in front of you. Be careful, the bee is going to bite you. Be careful, bee is going to bite you. We will not say bee will bite you. That is prediction. We are saying that it can happen. Or a planned action can be Mark is going to organize the celebration. Watch out, this is going to fall on you. This can be given fallen on you, so you should be careful. I have bought my ticket. I'm going to fly to Florida. Fine. So I'm going to fly. It means I have planned, I have taken the ticket, I have bought the ticket, so I will go to Florida. Then again, let me explain that it is the same one. But going to examples, I will share with you that look at those black clouds. It is going to rain. Previously we did will. Perhaps it will rain. It's not confirmed. It is a prediction. But with the evidence, I told you the differences of evidence. Example, you can see that simple, it was will perhaps it will rain. And example for going to look at those black clouds. Black clouds are evidence, so it is going to rain. Fine. Thank you so much. I hope you have understood all that and you will be able to solve your exercises in your grammar book, inshallah. Okay, but Allah Hafiz.